My first guest at the house, and he stayed in this room here. How are you doing, Kyle? How was last night in this house?
It was okay.
It was okay. It wasn't as spooky as you thought it was going to be?
Not spooky at all.
It's not spooky. What about warmth? Was it okay?
Decently warm.
Decently warm. Well, we're going to get up today and we're going to be doing the roof. Doing the roof today. We're going to put some shingles on. Okay?
Yay.
And then maybe, but we should have breakfast, make our sandwiches, and then we should take a little stroll down to the pier and take a look. I haven't been there yet. So, get up! Get up! I'm cooking breakfast! Bacon, eggs, goodness. Let's dig into this day. Lost his arm. He's gonna die though. How's he gonna eat? He can't pinch it. He's a pincher book. Poor guy.
But he can regrow his arms.
Really? Before dinner time? It's amazing.
Regrow his arm, but I don't know about his leg.
I think he's in love with that rock. Look at Carl just saved you.
He's stuck in the sand.
A tuna fish sandwich with some of my end sauce on it for lunch. Kyle wasn't really paying attention to me. He's playing his new video game, Star Wars Squadrons. So he said, I asked him if he wanted lunch, and he said, sure. I'll have exactly what you have. Okay. Exactly what I have. See how this plays out. Okay, so I'll put this on. A little heavy, so I'll spread it around a bit. I think he's going to take one bite of this and not eat the rest, so I've made myself another one that doesn't have any on it. That way when he doesn't want this one, I'll finish this one. And he can have one that's not sliced. Yeah. I just spoke with Evan from Greenfoot Energy, and we're looking at a heat pump and a possibility of putting a heat pump right over the stove area here. The stove's going to eventually be moved, but if the heat pump is in this wall and the pipes go out the back and gets installed right there, we're looking at the airflow coming this way, and it should be able to heat all the way out to here, maybe up the stairs a bit, and possibly the room to the side. So the heat pump is not something that gets pushed around through the house like central, but it should look like these units here, I guess. So this will be the outside, and these will be the inside. It'll also be considered a secondary heat source. It can't be considered the primary, so I still have to look at getting a primary heat source. This install would be about $5,000 after the rebates. Anyways, and he also told me to check out Home Sol Atlantic. And they do energy assessments on the house and tell me how much insulation I have. So that's good to know.